If you're seeing Premiere Pro error code 39, don't worry. In most cases, this is a file export problem caused by something simple like a full hard drive, a permissions issue, or a GPU rendering conflict. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your export working again without wasting time guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common cause, not having enough free disk space. Premiere Pro needs room to create export files, temporary data, and render information during the export process. So open your storage drive and check how much space is left. If your drive is nearly full, delete any large unused files, old exports, downloads, or project backups to free up more room. A good rule is to leave plenty of space available before exporting, especially for larger 4K or high bitrate projects. Once you've cleared some space, try exporting again and see if the error is gone. If the problem continues, the next thing to try is changing the export location. Sometimes error code 39 happens because Premiere Pro is trying to export to a drive or folder that has restricted access, sync issues, or network-related problems. Instead of exporting to the same location you were using before, choose a different hard drive if you have one, or simply export to your desktop. The desktop is usually a safer test location because it's local and easy to access. When you export again, give the file a new name and select the new location, then run the export one more time. Now let's move on to the media cache, because corrupted cache files can also cause strange export failures. To clear the cache in Premiere Pro, go to Preferences, then click Media Cache and choose Remove Media Cache Files. This will clean out temporary files that Premiere Pro no longer needs and can help fix export problems caused by damaged cache data. After removing the cache, restart Premiere Pro so the program can rebuild fresh files. Then open your project and try exporting again. If you still get the error, your graphics drivers may be part of the problem. Premiere Pro relies heavily on GPU acceleration, and outdated or unstable drivers can trigger export errors like error code 39. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, make sure you install the latest Studio driver, not just the regular gaming driver. Studio drivers are optimized for creative software like Premiere Pro and are often much more stable for editing and exporting. If you're using AMD, update to the latest available driver for your card. After updating, restart your computer, launch Premiere Pro again, and test the export. And if none of those fixes work yet, try switching the rendering engine. This is one of the most effective solutions when the error is related to GPU rendering. In Premiere Pro, go to File, then Project Settings, then General. Under Renderer, change the setting to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This disables GPU acceleration and forces Premiere Pro to use the CPU instead. It may export a little slower, but it can immediately solve GPU-related export issues. After changing the renderer, click OK, then try exporting your video again. If the export works after switching to software-only rendering, that strongly suggests the issue is tied to your GPU, driver, or hardware acceleration settings. In that case, you may want to continue using the software renderer for the current project, or continue troubleshooting your graphics drivers and export settings later. So to quickly recap, Premiere Pro error code 39 is usually fixed by freeing up disk space, changing the export location, clearing the media cache, updating your GPU drivers, or switching to Mercury Playback Engine software only. These 5 steps solve the majority of export failures and can save you a ton of time. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides, editing tips, and workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.